Coming back for more, coming back for more. If you walk out that door, when I'm with you, it all feels different. When I'm with you, it all makes sense. And I know you to feel no different. There's a magic to how we live it. There's a magic to what this is. It's like a treatment, we both take tripping. All I know is if you walk away, there'll be something. There'll be things you can't replace. All I know is if you walk away, there'll be something. That's okay. I can see you coming back for more, coming back for more. Yeah, if you walk out that door, I can see you coming back for more, coming back for more. If you walk out there. When I'm with you, it all feels different. There's no logic to what we say, but we try to get something right away. Oh, they don't got none of the issues that people got. Keeping on someone the same ways. They're keeping on none of that stuff to make you dependent on. All I know is if you walk away, there'll be something. That's okay. I can see you coming back for more, coming back for more. If you walk out that door, I can see you coming back for more, coming back for more. If you walk out that door, when I'm with you, it all feels different. When I'm with you, I can see you coming back for more, coming back for more. If you walk out that. Walk out there.